Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can log out of Monopoly Go. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up your Monopoly Go app on your mobile device and make sure it's updated to its latest version. After opening the app, you will be on the main homepage of the app where the game is basically played. Now just tap on the hamburger menu located at the top right corner. Inside it, select settings at the end of the list. Now you can see that there's no features such as logout. In reality, there isn't any option like that, but if you go over to the connect account button at the bottom, you can see that there are three options. Select the option you have used to connect to Monopoly Go and select disconnect. This is the nearest possible you can go for logging out, and this is basically how you can log out of Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.